Today's topic is converting your water tank dehumidifier to a continuous drain option. In the rainy season, when the air is extremely humid, your dehumidifier might stop working once the water tank is full. But don't worry, you can easily convert it to a continuous drain option. Just like the classic model, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Open the lower front panel and remove the water tank. The control panel may indicate the tank is full, but actually is being removed. Step 2. Take a look at the water outlet inside the dehumidifier. Here's where you connect the water hose. Now connect the water pipe. Step 3. Place the water tank back to its original position. Otherwise, the dehumidifier's alarm will keep sounding, prevent it from functioning properly. And there you have it. Your water tank dehumidifier has been upgraded to a classic model with a continuous drain option. You can easily switch back whenever you prefer. I'm Cloud from GetJoeAir. Thank you for watching.